Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have Premiere open and a saved backup. Now start. First, load the sequence and identify the clip whose audio you want gone. Once located, make sure the selection tool is active and zoom the timeline for frame-accurate control. You're doing this so you avoid removing the wrong segment. Next, select the clip and observe linked audio. Premiere links audio to video by default. This initial selection is essential because the only reliable method requires unlinking before deletion. Now you unlink. Right-click the selected clip and choose Unlink or press Ctrl+L. This breaks the connection between the video and its audio so you can act on audio alone. Once unlinked, click only the audio waveform so you've isolated it. If you need multiple clips gone, hold Shift and select each audio piece or use Track Select to capture all audio on a track. Make sure you don't accidentally select video clips. This isolation step is why unlinking matters. It prevents deleting the picture. With the audio isolated, press Delete or Backspace to remove it from the timeline. That's the only direct way to remove audio without affecting video. Once done, scrub the sequence to confirm there's no residual sound. If audio persists, make sure the clip isn't part of a nested sequence or linked elsewhere. Open nested timelines and repeat unlink/delete there. If deletion causes sync issues, undo and instead disable the audio track or reduce audio gain to -infinity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.